There's a Cessna approaching me from 24191 right above it. Either it's the sun, I'm gonna find out in a second, but it looks darker. The sun's low, so it's the one with the red on it. This is the one with the red body. It's really difficult to see with the sun, but it actually looks like it's white wings, the silhouette just from the sun, red body. And the tail is weird. The horizontal tail piece is very difficult to see in the sun. It may be even black because it seems to contrast with the body. Otherwise, it's just a dark red. So this is just to have some more fake civilian, since they all can't have the same white Cessna as the non-civilian people.